Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. And today I'm at a brand new home we're just finishing up for some wonderful people. And this house is 2192 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Has the attached 2-car garage with the attached RV garage. The RV garage door itself is 14 feet wide by 14 feet tall. And the depth in there is approximately 55 feet on the deeper end. It also has a nice garage door going out the back. It has some wonderful views out in the back, so a guy can hang out in the garage and check out the views off the back. So this one also has additional RV parking on the side, plenty of RV parking on the side. It's in a neighborhood in Hurricane, Utah, with wonderful views, primarily of Pine Valley Mountain and some of the other surrounding mountain ranges. As you can tell, they did do the rain gutters on this one. They went with a dark brown garage door, and then the dark stained front door, which is 8 feet tall. The side lights on either side with the transom window above. All right, and as you come inside the door, they went with the wood look tile. Beautiful wood look tile. It's a 3-tone paint, and it's a tall entryway. And then down this hall, you have 3 bedrooms that wraps around, and then a full bathroom. And we'll go down there in a minute. But as you come into the house, you go right into the great room and kitchen area. Has the gas fireplace with the beautiful stonework, the cabinets on either side, and then that coffered ceiling with the tray, and then the stained grade beams. And then over into the kitchen, they have the dark stained cabinets that go from floor to ceiling, the travertine backsplash, the granite countertops, the double thick edge there in the island, the stainless steel appliances with the drop-in cooktop. You can see a little deco design here. This is a different angle here. You got the pendant lights. And then over here on this plan, the nice thing on this one is it has a dual pantry. This is kind of more of like the place to put your everyday supplies, and then there's a large pantry for storage. You can put your coffee maker, blenders, toaster, things of that nature in this little pantry. And then down here, off of the dining nook, there's a much larger pantry with lots of shelving. And then it has the barn door. Okay, and then this door right here that goes out to the back patio, it has the blinds built into the glass. So you just pull the lever up and down and the blinds come down. You don't ever have to dust them. But I'll step out here just for a quick second. You can see the great views this one has. So this one, they extended the covered patio, not the covered patio, rather just the concrete. So they have a larger sitting area, because with views like that, why wouldn't you? And that mountain is called Pine Valley Mountain. And then right here, there's a concrete walkway, and there's that garage door that I was speaking of when we first started the video. And then along that line, it's a terraced wall. So they'll probably put some flowers and such in there. It's a synthetic stucco is what they use here, and then the tiled roof. And of course, you can see the rain gutters, but we'll go back in. As I'm heading back over towards the master, you can see they did do the outlet in the floor. So they can do some lamps and such as they arrange their furniture. There's the thermostat, and this is another little linen closet right off of the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a very nice room. Has the coffered ceiling with the stained grade beams and the ceiling fan. A couple windows on either side. It also has the barn door. And this takes you right into the master bathroom. And they carried this tile throughout the entire house, which is really nice. It has the deco strip tile going vertical there. The lighting, for some reason, there we go, a little bit better. And then it has a his and hers bath, or a vanity, and then a his and hers closet. Both of which, the vanities have the granite tops. And then the Euro glass door that goes into the shower here. I can open this up and show you. They did the 12 by 24 porcelain tile. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. And the Moen fixtures, and it does have a little bench right here. Travertine on the floor. And then here's a look at each of the closets. Nice shelving. Jetted tub with the frosted glass. And then the other closet over here. And then the toilet room there with a window. Lots of nice shelving. Our finish carpenter calls that a 5-stack. So coming back towards the entryway, here's a different look of that. We'll go back down this hallway. So there's storage closet here, and then you have a bedroom here. We'll take a look at this full bathroom first. Has the linen cabinets, the granite countertops, and they did it as a walk-in tiled shower. Kind of similar to the master with the Euro glass doors, the vertical accent tile, and then the horizontal 12 by 24 porcelain. Got a couple of shelves, and once again the Moen fixtures. And off of that bathroom you come, and there's a bedroom here, and like I said, they did carry this wood look tile all the way throughout the house, which is very nice. And then this one, even this room has some pretty awesome views. And then there's a closet there. And then 2 more bedrooms down this hall. All of which have the ceiling fans. And some more views. And then the other closet. And then across the hall, there's another one. Another bedroom. Ceiling fan. Great views. In the closet. All right, and then heading back over into the great room towards the garage, you have your laundry room with some cabinets above here, and you can tell they did the recessed dryer vent. They have the gas or the electric, and then they have a little area here you can slide some stuff underneath that countertop with another cabinet there. And then off of the man door going into, not the man door, the fire door going into the garage, you have your half bath here. One of the lights is turned off. And they did the full cabinet with the granite countertop. We'll go into the garage. All right, and now we're into the garage. They did the LiftMaster MyQ garage door opener. And then they have the 18 foot wide by 18 feet wide by 8 foot tall 2-car garage door. And the depth on this is approximately 22 feet. And then over here, they have the water heater, the water softener system. And then there's a sink here in the RV garage, which is approximately 19.5 feet wide from side to side, 19.5 feet wide. The RV garage door itself is 14 feet wide by 14 feet tall. And it too has the LiftMaster MyQ. And then the deepest section is approximately 55 feet. They're missing one panel on the back of that garage door there. But you can see you got the water in here, you got the clean out, you got your 50 amp plug over there. They've got this all set up. And then this garage door right here, you can see the tracks. They run straight up the wall, and then once they get enough clearance, then they come back. So if you ever had a boat or a tower or something, it's not just gonna come right into it. Very well thought out. And there is the beauty right there. And then there is a man door over here to the side. I'll show you that real quick and just show you how much RV parking there is on this one in addition to this. So if the RV garage wasn't enough, you've got all this space here too for additional parking. That planter box isn't quite complete yet, but so yeah, all in all, 2192 square feet, 4 bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car attached with the attached RV garage, RV parking, beautiful view lot, and yeah, this is ready to go. So thanks again for watching. You give us a call or look us up online, mystghome.com, or call us direct at 435-313-1525. Thanks.